Welcome to this tutorial on using Schoology. Schoology is just one hosted web application that you can use in order to place your information onto the website for a flipped classroom. What we're looking at here is a 6-week course that has been set up for a flipped classroom. So if you look, you see 2 folders for each week. For example, prior to week 1, you see a prior to week 1 folder with a set of instructions, week 1, and then the actual in-class assignment. So the prior to week 1 is the actual lesson that the student will follow prior to coming into class. So as I go down the list, you'll see the different folders that have been set up, and they're color-coded. So if I go down to week 6, which we'll demonstrate, you see there's a prior to week 6 folder, and there's a set of instructions. So for the students, please complete the discussion board question, the shortcut video, and the example of the completed assignment prior to reading and completing the assignment for this week. So the student would go in and open up that folder, and they will be presented with the material. So for example, they have an assignment here that's been created as a Word document that is step-by-step instructions on what they're to accomplish in their lesson. They then have a video that they would watch on the material. For this week, it's a shortcut video for the application that is going to be demonstrated for Prezi. They have a brief assessment, and then they have a completed example of an assignment. In this folder, there's actually 2. So once they go through the video and the assignment, then they can compare their work by examining the completed assignment example in this folder. Now I'm just going to go back to our main menu, and you'll see that that folder housed those items that we just spoke about. Now, for week 6, the curriculum in class for Prezi, the student would open up that folder, and they would be presented with the material that they would do in class. Once the student gets to class, they can either work individually or they could work in groups. The teacher would walk around the room and answer questions, and the teacher would act as the facilitator during that time. If a student has a question, they are encouraged to talk with other students and check with them and work as team members and help each other to form a sense of community. I hope you enjoyed this brief tutorial on Schoology. As an example, showing you how a flipped classroom looks like. Thank you.